for somebody that is not in aerospace, this is so cool. Okay, so there is a lot of traffic. I don't quite know what everything is about, but it is exciting to see. It's huge. So my understanding is that everything has its own, like there are different countries around. Okay, so here we have France. Back there we had Italy. No, that's Malaysia. And behind that, Italy. Flights going, coming. It's really exciting. I am in a real helicopter. Bigger companies all have these little chalets here. And so in there it's like catering, drinks. You want to be in the chalet. Okay, so let's start out easy. What's the difference between all these different fighter planes?
Sure, good question. So here we have the F-15E. This is called the Strike Eagle.
Let's move over.
Right next to it in the middle is the F-35, and that's what I currently fly. And then over there you have the F-16.
Okay.
So the biggest difference, we fly the 5th gen fighter, the F-35.
Okay.
Both the F-15 and the F-16 are 4th generation aircraft in the U.S. Air Force.
Okay.
The biggest difference for us in the F-35 is that we are a stealth-based platform.
Okay.
So,
and what does that mean?
So basically, as a mission set, we're very similar to the Strike Eagle.
Okay.
We're both air-to-air and air-to-ground. However, being stealth allows us to go places that the other aircraft can't. Basically, it's designed to not be seen by the enemy, where other aircraft, it's easier for them to be seen, I guess.
Wow. And so you're flying this.
Yeah, I've
right now.
been flying F-35 for about a year now.
Oh, this is so exciting.
Oh, thank you.